This is architect Shammi Sharif from Tales of Design Studio. Today I am going to talk about House Dudi located in Thrissur, Kerala. East facing site with a narrow profile is located in a residential neighborhood about 8 kilometers from Thrissur city. The major challenge we faced was to accommodate the list of requirements in a tight space. So we decided to have a central axis that travels through the built area to connect the spaces. This helps us in reducing circulation. Our clients Rajiv and Adira approached us with a clear set of requirements. They wanted a 4-bedroom house which can stay close to their lifestyle and had a vibrant and rustic aesthetics. So overall form of the residence was inspired from Thrissur city's traditional buildings, and its color palette came from city's rich cultural heritage. Entrance to the plot is through the east facing approach road. In order to save space, car porch is placed as separate adjacent to the compound wall. Veranda has Leporte granite as flooring and sits comfortably on top of a small koi pond. Veranda opens to the central circulation axis with the patio as main focus. Moving towards the living area, we have inbuilt seating that transitions into window openings. It also has a provision for storage below. Palmwood topped staircase is placed between the living and dining areas to act as a buffer. The dining area is designed in double height to achieve a visual connection between the floor plates and also enables passive cooling. We consider dining as the heart of the residence as it sits between the greenish central court and has a visual connection to the upper floor. Custom-made dining table is a mix of plywood and nano-white granite. Closer to the dining area, we also have a natural stone-made wash basin. Kitchen is in close proximity with the dining area and has custom-made counters. Bedroom that faces east facade has inbuilt wardrobe units, bed coat, and has a base color of Caribbean green. An angled bay window is there to ensure the privacy as it opens to the front yard. Bedroom 2 has a full height vertical window and has base color as radiance, and it also houses a small walk-in wardrobe that leads to the toilet. As we climb the stairs, we reach a multifunctional family living, which also acts as a library and a space to practice musical instruments. Master bedroom is situated adjacent to the family living and has sunny pastels as its base color. In addition to the inbuilt wardrobe, bed coat, master bedroom has a small cozy balcony which opens to the east side. In first floor, the central access forms a bridge that is situated above the double height dining and leads to the bedroom 4 and study room. Study room has an inbuilt counter to help use the space more efficiently. Bedroom 4 follows the aesthetics of the other bedrooms, has a horizontal long window and has a walk-in wardrobe that leads to the toilet. Mirror finished Kota flooring is extensively used in this project, and its combinations with Jaisalmer stone, nano white and Leporte granite form geometrical patterns that are inspired from cities' grand palaces. Perforated cotton steel is treated as the aesthetic as well as functional element of the project. Strategic placement of cotton steel perforations ensure air circulation due to stack effect and thus creating a cooler and low pressure indoor environment. And at night, due to the perforations, the cotton steel facade shimmers in indoor lighting. Then there are elements such as light wells on the ceiling with their ever-changing play of light throughout the day. Handrails are made of MS steel members and MS perforated sheets in the middle to attain a sense of lightness. Exposed wire-cut bricks, gabled roofs, and lowered wooden windows are a nod to vernacular architecture of Kerala.